Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CRMD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Friday, so that's where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And after today's price movement, want to make a few little adjustments here, both in the upwards direction, so in the bulls' favor on the resistance side of things, and then also in the bears' favor as far as supports are concerned. So we'll start off with the resistance. After today's price movement, it seems as though the newest kind of area of resistance is right up there at 240, which is where the gap up went. And then from there, it was pretty much all bearish as the price pushed it downwards. However, with that being said, the price was still able to establish a higher high there. So it's always good when resistance levels are being moved in the upwards direction. Now, on the flip side of things, I'm going to do the exact opposite. And after today's price movement, it seems as though more so the key area of support is right down there at the $2 mark. If you go through the history of things, you can see that from Friday, that's right where the price bounced off of. And then fast forwarding to today and this morning, once again, that's right where the price bounced off of. So it does seem as though $2 is more so that important area of support. And yeah, I get it. I just did move the support level downwards. So that's more so bearish, but they kind of equal each other out because as you saw, I did move the resistance level up, but also move the support level down. So at the end of this day, though, kind of from the big picture point of view, and the important thing here is that where the sideways price action is occurring relative to previous times. So right now it's occurring right up here, price going sideways. Where did the price go sideways before? Down here. Where did the price go sideways before that? Right here. And not to insult your intelligence, but each one of these sideways price movement areas keep getting higher and higher. And assuming you care about the grand scheme of things, that's what it's all about. As long as these consolidation areas are all occurring higher than the previous ones, that implies that an overall uptrend is being built. So that's what ultimately matters at the end of the day. So sure, today, not the most exciting, especially with the gap up and then the price falling backwards. But when you take a step back and look at multiple days like we just did, it becomes very apparent that the price does still have the chance to build an overall higher base. So let's see if the bulls can get that job done or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.